Hi, I'm Anam and I go by Anam C on the internet, and today I'm going to bare my soul to you with my one dirty little secret. I have a very messy vanity. Sometimes it scares me to use my own dressing station because of how messy it is. I feel like no matter what I do, it's just one big mess. But it's time to change all of that now. I've got the ammo to make this corner my happy little space. Spick and span, neat and clean. But before we get started, let me tell you that I'm going to be sharing a giveaway with you in this video. So be sure to watch it all the way till the end. Okay, so today I've got some organizers, dividers, cleaning supplies, and strength that are hopefully going to get me through the next hour of non-stop organizing and cleaning. Everything you see me use in my arsenal today is available on bigbasket. So if you're inspired to go clean up your mess as well, get your hands on these handy dandy items from their website or the app. Now, let's go. So I'm starting out with emptying out the whole vanity. Every single drawer, every single lipstick, blender and palette. All of it needs to be taken out so that I can do a nice big deep clean. First, I'm going in with wet wipes. These are the simplest way to get rid of makeup stains, drops or pigments that will ruin the color of the furniture in the long run. Then I'm taking a piece of cloth that's been dipped in Vanish and warm water and doing a second round of cleaning. Just the way I like to double cleanse my face. And lastly, I'm using every single organizer and divider to sectionally arrange all the items. And there you have it. The before and after make me feel so satisfied. Now, some people may choose to organize in a way that what they reach for most often is kept on top. Some people may organize in a way that what's new is kept closer to them. Different things work for different people. For me, I like to organize things category-wise. This way I'm making sure I'm shuffling between all of my products and not getting stuck in a rotation of reaching for the same products all the time. That would obviously be a problem for me with my career as a beauty influencer. I like to be able to see all of my products, and the top open drawers make that possible. My main hack for staying organized is this set of two at the top of my table. One of these houses my brushes in an enclosed space, because I don't want my brushes open all of the time catching dust. Plus, it has some space for me to keep some products for my morning and evening routines that I can easily reach for. The second is this clear round tray that houses items I need to see from the top angle. Lip pencil shades, kajals, eyeliners, that sort of thing. Sometimes I might add one or two more hair products into this tray if I know I'm going to use it in this week itself. Sunday afternoons, when my son is getting his afternoon nap, is usually when I come in here for that little reset. It may not always be a deep clean, but it'll be a little let's put things back in place kind of session. And I usually like to do it with a podcast playing at the back or my favorite show playing at the back. How you doing? I really hope you guys found this video useful. Now it's time for the giveaway. Name one cleaning supply I used in today's video. Comment it down below and one lucky winner will be getting a gift voucher from bigbasket. Download the bigbasket app to shop anything you need in just a few simple clicks. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. Bye!